Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to delete Gmail account permanently. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Gmail application, then get logged in into your account. At the homepage of Gmail, you need to tap on the profile icon on top right of the screen. Now here you choose your Gmail account, then you tap and manage your Google account. Here you can see many options. There you need to tap on data and privacy. Scroll to the little down. Here under more options you can see the option of delete your Google account. You tap on it. First of all you need to provide your Gmail account password. Then you tap on next. Before deleting your account you can go in for reading the information provided by your Gmail. Here you also can download your data before deleting your account just tapping on download your data. Scroll to the down. Here you need to tap on the both checkbox, then you tap on delete account. As you can see, your Google account and all its data have been deleted, and with that the Gmail account has been permanently deleted. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to delete Gmail account permanently. Thank you.